Hi, I'm Dr. Christina, the Picky PT, and today I'm going to show you about how to be picky about how you use the StairMaster at the gym to avoid injury. What I see at the gym all the time, and is a huge pet peeve of mine, is people overusing their quad muscles to go up the StairMaster. What that would look like is straightening your knee, and that is how you are making it up to the next step. Now, if you're going for quad strengthening because you're just recovering from an ACL tear or something, then yeah, that's a great idea for you. But the majority of people that I work with tend to overuse their quads anyways throughout the day. So I instead like to make sure that they are using their posterior chain to bring them up to the next step. The way that you're gonna do that is you are gonna hang out a little bit longer as the step goes down rather than immediately stepping up each time, okay? Because we wanna stretch out that glute and then squeeze your glute in combination with a pelvic tilt to bring you up to that next step, okay? Notice that as I do this, I am not straightening my knee to come up, but instead hinging over and squeezing my posterior chain along with my core to bring me up, all right? Now, at first, you may have to lean forward in order to get yourself to stretch out your glute, but as you get better at being able to engage your posterior chain alone, you can keep your chest more upright and make sure that you're really just using these back muscles and your core to step up, making sure to keep your knees soft at the top too in order to make sure that you're doing it correctly. If you're still struggling with being able to do this correctly, make sure to contact a neuromuscular expert, a physical therapist to help you out, and make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to continue to learn more about your body and how to move it the most efficient way.